Chicago South.
You could get killed.
You're nothing except maybe a bitch. But your styles are too simple for me.
You could get killed. You could get killed. You could get killed. From some of the chances you take.
I can get killed just crossing the street or get mugged in the hall. When it's time for you to go, you're going no matter where you're at.
Living in foul environments is evident with death pulls from gun pools rise around the resident. No cheese for rent, cause it was spent on getting bent off a chemical design to snatch balance from the mind of a nation who created. What's that? Civilization, frustration of a whole generation now we're facing. Murder, theft, rape, abortion, addiction, and unwed parents is above average proportion. Welfare checks got just for projects, reduced from a human to a wanted suspect. Trained to handle beef with a hot load of tech. War among the youth, society's in the threat. Clock is clock non-stop while the government collect narcotics to politics as part of Lucifer's tricks. Evil ways, last days displays how life pays. Burdened down with sadness, this world going to madness. Killing one another so we can't progress. Rat-infested homes occupied by young mothers. Liquor stores flooded with spiritual dead brothers. Encounters turn deadly when influence runs heavy. Steps are never steady when we walking in strife. We can all get lost up in the sands of life. It's just life. Living in foul environments. Living in foul environments is life. It's just life. Living in foul environments. Living in foul environments is life. It's just life. Living in foul environments. Living in foul environments is life. The world is at a pace that we can't slow down. The youth develop habits that we can't change now. Paychecks handed out defeat the debt deficit. Never instructed to save, only programmed to spend it. Stakes is high because we threw them up there. If it's not ghetto elegant, it has no flair. See, life is a test of stress with little pleasure. You see who will or won't bend under the world's pressure. What you plant, you harvest, no matter the measure. The way is submit to God and then conquer. We let non-living factors dictate our behavior. Hiding presidents on paper become our savior. This is God's earth, so let His will be done. A lot of people I know waste their life on a run to get high, on a run for a gun, on a run for checks, or on a run for sex. Programmed to self-destruct is what my people have become. We used to fear God, now we don't need God. I feel that's the main reason why our life is hard. We should be set apart like the meaning of Marad. I want my ways and my living to reflect the face of God. Yeah. Yo, cause it's life, living in foul environments. Living in foul environments is life, it's just life. Living in foul environments. Living in foul environments is life, it's just life. Living in foul environments. Living in foul environments is life, it's just life. Living in foul environments. Living in foul environments, y'all.
Yeah. You ain't got no wins in me. Shot-town, come on. You ain't got no wins in me. I write about half my shit, the other half, dog, I live it. And any kid that want it, definitely, dog, can get it with it. Strong on the strength of the pain, remain focused, hopeless, never that. When better rats remain quoted, throwing poetry like darts with a heart, repping the streets. And this is for anybody that ever had to eat from the garbage, starving. We all in it for the peace. Fuck it, the whole pie, we flipping rocks, that is for weeks. This goes out to my keys, blowing back, swishing sweets. Pack a heap of cold nights, holding white shit in they keep. Get that dough, I go for single mamas and quiche. My little sis, reminisce on knocking windows for beats. Riding the L, it ain't hard to smell, I'm in it the Jeep. Locking it down with hostiles when we tackle the speech. Shock of the wackers when we leap from the grill. Ill lyricists, J.U.I.C. shot, got these pop niggas fearing it. Hearing it loud and clear that forever's our year. The ideas, nothing new but pumping true is right here. So fly clear of the end things. We touch down at big planes and leave a mark on every stage that flows like rhyming shit stays. No W's going against the L, hell no. You ain't got no wins in me, Casa.
Big J, you spitting it well, I thought I told y'all.
Hell no. You ain't got no wins in me, Casa. There will be no W's going against the L, hell no. You ain't got no wins in me, Casa.
Big J, you spitting it well, I thought I told y'all.
Hell no. You ain't got no wins in me, Casa.
J.U. Long shot, what your motherfucking song got? The DJ Juice and Long Shot got it on lock. Every single song hot, niggas won't stop. No, I silence and stay and sink it, don't go pop. Got boys on the back streets running the dope spots. From vitamin C to felons selling coke rocks. Whether 98 degrees or not, I'm so hot. These brothers wanna test E-Town, I hope not. These others wanna just be down with Mo Pop. This is the show shot for bitches with no tops. Vivid imagery, I paint pictures they don't got. Trigger wizardry, Johnny Depp, I grow crops. Through the cane, rent commuter planes and blow spots. I learned a whole lot, keep the fofos cock. I learned how to sell these fucking popos rock. Iceberg and long, give 100 shots. 8 calicos, glocks, Cali flow hot. Find your ass murdered on your patio drop. Hey homie, soon as I pull a caddy, go watch. Roof cut off, big caddy, no top. Daddy ill, long shot, now tell me that he don't rock.
No W's going against the L, hell no. You ain't got no wins in me, Casa.
Big J, you spitting it well, I thought I told y'all.
Hell no. You ain't got no wins in me, Casa. No W's going against the L, hell no. You ain't got no wins in me, Casa.
Big J, you spitting it well, I thought I told y'all. Hell no.
You ain't got no wins in me, Casa.
Did you get him? I don't know. Man, let's get up out of here.
When gun holding, not when cold and safe under the sun solar. So when I squeeze off 8, I'm guaranteed to make 7 up yours like the uncola. Oratorically nice, almost effortlessly. Born with a silver spoon in my mouth like infants with epilepsy. Shit, years after my prime leaves, I might have to resort to letting the knife squeeze to convince dick riders to kind of let go of my please. You a third nut, separated at birth, born conjoined testicle to tongue Siamese. Last summer we jumped out the speakers and fucked shit up with divine ease. Now watch me take a coat when it's pissed with a full bladder, make time freeze. Go to shower the globe till every snowman across the fucking planet turn Chinese. My mentality's necros, red dot shit to the face of the planet, catch a back case of freckles. Me and Jay, you overshadowed the lead, so you blaze battling with 2 dicks in your mouth till your jaws give out from battle fatigue.
The professionals, red dot will turn these niggas into vegetables. So vivid I can kick it at the Cannes Film Festival. Decaffeinated coffee shop niggas get assassinated. I was vaccinated with a serum that was rap related. I spit a theorem full strength, I don't approximate. Intoxicate your hoe and show you footage of the cock she ate. Whether Glock 3-8 grenades or street sweepers. Address me on your knees like students should greet teachers. My intellect stress you, I hold my text special. Jet Li or Bruce, pick one, I'm next level. The rest see me new, some smoke 6 blunts and nail them. And hang them out to dry like witch hunts in Salem. Shit, my status dope enough to catapult me to the top. We blew the spot like it was just another coup to drop. You couldn't dream of winning if you used your imagination. Triangle offense and moment collaboration.
Am I the sickest nigga shitting on them?
No doubt.
Y'all niggas want the heat?
To get your dough out.
Kill whip niggas before they even spit they flow out. We brought it where y'all took the whole route. Fuck around and get your ass toe out.
Am I the nicest niggas spitting it?
No doubt.
You niggas want the heat?
Get your dough out.
Big juice rip niggas before they even spit they flow out. We brought it while y'all niggas took the whole route. Fuck around and get your ass toe out. Like I said, we spit the vividest rhymes because we live in it. You'll need 8 more rappers just to make this shit equivalent. Juice crushes any mic that juice touches. We be all in your girlfriend's mouth like toothbrushes. Nasty off the head, and when I'm in the booth, fuck it. Like the skin on Edward James Olmos, I'm too rugged. I could either thug it, lug it round, or unplug it. Represent Illmatic, halftime, or one love it. It's murder to cassette, and I beg you to come dub it. We could either use our hands, batons, or stun gun it. And I ain't never been known to have the cleanest in demeanor, but I get the whole US open like Venus and Serena. Period. This is how we chill, freestyle or written. When we came out the speakers last year, they didn't listen. So next time I crack they bones, follow me. I'm so much doper than MCs, I owe these niggas an apology.
Niggas be firing 16-shot clips when I put the heat on slow roast. I don't just outshine you, I show my ass and make your face the co-host. While me and Jay, you run a triangle on your bitch, feeding these bars in a low post. I'm a cross breed between letter T crosses and the letter I infrared sick dollars. Voice of vengeance until my wig's martyred. From a Hennessy violent stigmata with lacerations half Christ and Big Papa. I push the envelope far beyond the term ill limits. That's why some of the nicest feel timid. If I said it, then kill minute. Player, only way your jersey hanging from the rafters is if your bitch ass is still in it. One penis lace and double penetration. My pen is wasting and semen tasting substance on a fragment of your imagination. Fuck fertilizing exit wounds. I blow up brains with 50 caliber slugs and plant seeds and exit wounds. I write my shit catacorn, it's just to rip motherfuckers and zigzag. I watch this wig drag. A 2000 triangle off bits getting done with big bags. While you bad season tickets to ride Dick's flag like Six Flags.
The nicest niggas spitting it.
No doubt.
Y'all niggas want the heat.
Get your dough out.
Big juice rip niggas before they even get they flow out. We brought it while y'all niggas took the whole route. Fuck around and get your ass toe
Am I
out.
the sickest nigga shitting on them?
No doubt.
Y'all niggas want the heat?
To get your dough out.
Kill rip niggas before they even spit they flow out. We brought it when y'all took the whole route. Fuck around and get your ass toe out.
Chicago got my Chicago got my Chicago got my back. Chicago got Chicago got Chicago got my back. Chicago got my Chicago got my Chicago got my back.
No, I don't live down a Karen and I don't live Versace. or he'll figure, but I still trigger flows to smoke rappers till my lung and liver's blotchy. You fail to stop me. Rappers making records that's hella sloppy, make me so dope I probably wouldn't sell a copy. You know the business went from all that had a lace a joint. My case in point, free bass annoys my brains gleam. Cocaine streams right inside of my vein until it gangrenes, meaning I made a flow too uncut for the mainstream. So how can I gain cream? Never so dope in my life except button jams, but if nothing slams, I might be the next brother cutting grams. And ain't gon' be no slips. I learned from the best. I flippin' Nino scripts until I run the game, drive casino chips. Although my thoughts perceived to be the extreme, no matter how greedy it seems, G, we all want immediate cream. And so if labels wanna take my hope and kill it, won't help mope and will it. So if they won't let me be dope, then deal it. Until I financially grown stable, start my own label. Sick of these fake niggas every time I turn on cable. And once this dope ain't easy to go find, and no kind, those that pay it no mind have to be either dumb, deaf, or snowblind. But I know mine's coming. If I sell around my jail time down, losing lots of blood from selling crack rocks of bud, you know the business. At times it's breadwinning, most times a dead ending. Bodies outlining chocolate covered in hospital bed linen. You know the business. At times it's breadwinning, most times a dead ending. Bodies outlining chocolate covered in hospital bed linen. You know the business. Cause I ain't feeling these rappers that's stealing G's. This shortage of real MCs got me dealing keys. You know the business. At times it's breadwinning, most times a dead ending. Bodies outlining chocolate covered in hospital bed linen. You know the business. Cause I ain't feeling these rappers that's stealing G's. This shortage of real MCs got me dealing keys. This rap shit and just sell some cane brain state to gain weight and bat at mini mansion for my fams up in main gate. I aim straight, praying to God but keep getting this voicemail. I want heaven but it's my only choice. Hell, I often wonder cause rap's future ain't crystal clear. It's almost deader than disco here, empty as a homeless nigga's fiscal year. I'm in the high risk career to the loose stacks, the hard pursue wax. Through tracks I substitute cracks and we can dispute facts that pollute plaques of gold and platinum dollar power. That corny shit you're selling can split your melon, cabbage and cauliflower. They're making a killing but I ain't feeling these rappers that's stealing G's. This like a real MC's got me dealing keys. And I ain't in the game just for the greed in it. My dreams and we send it are filled with too many personal needs in it. The odds against me but if I succeed splendid, eventually I surpass past the speed limit with skills unprecedented. I'm trying to put dough back in this natural habitat. Only your baby flab is fat. Go back to the lab with that. I need the ends cause the ends justify the means, but the means justify my dreams. I'm flustered by the schemes. Should I be damned if I'm a dying crew crying broke, but should I really turn towards supplying coke to maybe I'm a kingpin with an 80 G's a week habit to start to wreak havoc and start letting all these MCs that's rhyming weak habit. You know the business. At times it's breadwinning, most times a dead ending. Bodies outlining chocolate covered in hospital bed. You know the business. Cause I ain't feeling these rappers that's stealing G's. This shortage of real MCs got me dealing kids. You know the business. At times it's breadwinning, most times a dead ending. Bodies outlining chocolate covered in hospital bed. You know the business. Cause I ain't feeling these rappers that's stealing G's. This shortage of real MCs got me dealing kids.
Calamity, the iron equal force sanity. Without cause, we're anti anyone that AI. Stop the cats with their platinum color code and limbs of them. Was a target enemy, not you against me. We all war independently, trying to conquer the industry, battling one another. We share the same imagery. This is for you critics, you rise and cynics. I ain't trying to blow just to pour the cork bubble fluids. I just wanna live in comfort and trust in my efforts. Take care of my son by moving some units. Now what's the harm in that? Cause I ain't your big word rambler, a punchline slinger. You can't bang the day you planted her. Cash internet to internet's a web page. I'm your ally, fellow B-boy, I can't take it. Just cause I don't like it, I mean you ain't a small. I just let you be you, so let the star be the star. What? Get wrecked it, then I won't be respected.
What up, son? What up?
I just wanna write songs, be overlooked and neglected.
What up, son? What up?
It's all about the positivity, creating an outlet.
What up, son? Whatever. What up, son? Whatever.
Yo, like levitation, I hover over. My styles keep you watching like Miramax. Mirror that of an actual fact speaker. Bang like Bose speakers. My repertoire should feature like a Sunday night movie. Story of an intellect that walks the streets of poverty. Identical IQ 86 when we started, B. You wasting breath, you can't contest garbage at your best. Play you for a minute, hear your lemon and your rhyme skills. You got whipped, chromey wheels, mastery of far from being ill. Since you only being true to being fake, I create the classics. The big idea with status, average amateurs get ambushed. I'm into scripts, give me a Larry King form. BET, exclusive behind the scene look of what it took to go from Paul and the Rook. The rap book ain't about jack, cheesy rap for the cheddar.
Whatever.
And make sure my videos film fresh from a yacht.
What up, son?
I can't hold my own on stage. Give me dancers and props.
What up, son? Whatever.
tell y'all cats, man, whatever for all you do, man. I don't even really know. You even know what you're doing. I don't even think y'all know. Y'all walking around just in some kind of zone of your own that ain't beneficial to nobody but yourself, playing you down. Spotlight, all-star, man. Daddy Planet is how we do. You know what? Whatever.
Prophet, raised amongst black disciples and vice lords who don't give a fuck about my course and nice wars. Get up, together black wrists get cuffed. I'm wishing for a change, my man want his change in a cup. Yes sir, I'm in the mix a lot. Bitches put them on the glass while I'm putting stickers on their ass. I rule everything around me like cash on the rocks of reality. Dreams get splashed in jams, I mash like Alan Alda. Niggas nod, thanks they hate as if I was Little Walter. 87 strip walker, taught the code of the area by staying within the barrier. Exposed to stony stimuli. With that I identify brothers with whom I rotate, solidify the realness. Skull cap, smurf, puppy jacket, lug boots on. Stepping to me is like going to the county, being a neutron. Step to be is like step to be is like step to be is like going to the county be the county be in a new
smoked my shrubs, I ate my grub, I gave my goddess a big kiss and a hug. But what about them without a HUD? What about them without some love? I rocked the clubs, I drank some bud, I lust for the ladies with the big old buds. But what about them without a HUD? What about them without some love? We play in mud, we bathe in tubs with troubles that produce bubbles from the suds. But what about them without a HUD? What about them without some love? We might just thug, we bust slugs, we like to tote guns like we Elmer Fudd. But what about them without a HUD? What about them without some love? We fight and fuss, we like to cuss, we stress to see a pennant won by the Cubs. But what about them without a HUD? What about them without some love? We like to snub, we hold a grudge, a caramel sundae ain't got no fudge. But what about them without a HUD? What about them without some love? We like to bug, so here's a plug. The architect and I just made a cut. But what about them without a HUD? What about them without some love? We stay in love just because sex is another way that we make love. But what about them without a HUD? What about the cop who shot him in his gut? How about the way he lost all that blood? What about the kid who can't catch the bus? What about the nipples that she can't rub? And there's another busy man in a rush. These ducks feel like a platypus. But what about them without a HUD? What about them without some love? What about them without some love? It's all natural.